Hello, I think I'm recording correctly. Who knows? I'm using a new program, so yeah. Okay. We'll start with the business end of things and I'll probably waffle on the end because that's usually how these things go. So, first and foremost, we have 1, 2, 3, 3.5, yeah, 4.5 new sprinkle sheets. So, we have new bunnies. Wow, that's, I don't know, that looks really, really pixely. Is it really pixely? Yeah, so this is bunnies 2. We have some leaf scissors, or leaves as normal people call them, with some lips, and we have some semicircles, and they also come in like 10 and 5 mil. I figured they'd be good for little watermelons, little oranges, or lemons, or limes. So I made those ages ago and just never remembered to put them on the website. So. Alright, so that's those. Just about everything that I have in this update is a request. So many people have been waiting for so many things. I'm so sorry. I've been getting to them. The edges set. This is a size that it normally comes with, and you put your soap in here and you edge it, right? It doesn't fit tall soaps that have like piping and stuff on top, so I've made a longer one, as you can see. So yeah, so that's it. That's plenty long off. It's actually 14.5 centimeters. Yeah, 14.5 centimeters. So if your soap's taller than 14.5 centimeters, you probably should rethink your soaping. No, I didn't say that, but seriously, it should fit in like the tallest of soaps, because this one will fit a regular soap with a little bit of piping on top. So you've got like, you know, heaps of room now. So that's done. You can choose either the regular size or the long one. There's no extra cost. You just would choose one or the other. It's just a choice now. So instead of just it being just the normal one. I have made some single extruder discs because I couldn't. There's some of them would have worked as a set, but most of them wouldn't. So I thought it's about time I just started making them as single ones, and that way, if I'm struck by inspiration, I can send them to the website as a single one, and not have to worry, about making this many to make an actual update, because I'm not going to update you every time I make one single extruder disc. So, but yeah, so there was 2 that I have had requested that I have not been able to do yet because I can't get them quite right. I think it was only 2. Yes, and there's a few more that I want to get done, but these ones here are all the ones that are new to the website. There's a whole bunch of my favourites are the pineapple, because it's friggin' awesome. The poo, of course, because who doesn't want a poo in their soap? I don't know why anyone would want to put a poo in their soap, but I feel like you could do it and it would be a great joke. What else did I like? I mean, I like them all, don't get me wrong. I think the unicorn head is friggin' awesome. So, and I've made, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh shit! Shit going everywhere. 6 fish shapes, because honestly, I have been going to make fish anyway, and I thought, well, if you're going to do like an underwater scene soap or something, you don't want just one shaped fish, do you? You want a couple of fish, or you're something, an aquarium soap or something. So yeah, so I've done 6 different shapes. That one. That one, that one, that one, and that one. So I don't know if I just did that all too fast that you couldn't see any of them, but so yeah, so they are all separate. So yeah, so there's a whole bunch of those in their own little category now. That's it for those. Like I said, there's heaps there. I didn't show you them all, obviously. I'm trying to get through this without it being 65 minutes long. This one is probably the most important one. I have made recipe workbooks. Now these are a little bit different to the other workbooks in that the covers are a little bit bigger. No, how am I going to show you that? There you go. You see that the covers are a little bit bigger. The reason they're a little bit bigger is because these are super generic. It's just a recipe book. That's it. There's no... You can put... Doesn't matter what recipe you have, you can put it in this. So it can be a food recipe, a soap recipe. Recipe? What's a recipe? Okay, we'll just take a second here. It can be any sort of recipe. That's it. It's a new word now. And put it in there. Now I thought that's great and all, but what if you want to use this because it's it's got room for 200 recipes? What if you want to actually use this for everything? Like sometimes it's handy to just use one single book for everything. So you might want to put food recipes, soap recipes, bath bomb recipes, I don't know what other sort of, any other sort of recipe. How are you going to sort them out? How are you going to find the bloody things? So I have made tabs, sticker tabs. Now that just looks like a sticker with nothing on it, right? Where have I put it? Oh shit. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'll do one. This one is my actual favourite. Actually, this one's probably my favourite. So we'll do it. I'll show you the tabs. I'll show you all of them first, and then I'll show you the tabs. So this is the red watercolor, and it's stickers. Stickers probably in a way so you can see them. That is the pastel rainbow, I think, and it's stickers. This is the mint lime or lime mint, I can't remember what I called it. And then we have the geometric, which is super cool. These sticker tabs have, I'll show you one in a minute, but they also have a perforated, words are hard, a perforated line in the middle of them, so when you fold them they actually fold perfectly straight. Because when I first made them, I tried to fold them and I could never get a straight fold, and the edges just was really unpleasant. This one is the rose gold, and it has like gold stickers. It's not gold, but it's as gold as you can print on a normal printer without it being foiled. And then this one, which is my favourite, which is retro. So I also have a set of retro notebooks that, oh no I don't have them. Wickedly Inked has them. But Wickedly Inked isn't open yet. Alright, so I can't do this in a way that I can show you, so I'm not going to. What I will do is I will go and get the piece of paper that I've already got tabs on, and I'll just edit this out, and then I'll be back and you'll see this. Sorry about the noise. I'm going to guess you can hear that. They're building something over there with a lot of metal, and it's just noisy as all hell. So this is what the tabs look like, and as you can see, these are perfectly straight. I just did it on a obviously, and this was me muck-assing around with ones that none of them have January and February or anything on them. But this is, you can see how all of them are all perfectly straight because they've got that perforation on them. So when you bend them over, they just want to fold perfectly on that line. So that's why that cover sits out a bit like that, so that way. Wow, such great camera work. There you go. So that your tabs aren't going to just get super bent, but you have the option to not buy the tabs. The tabs are only the stickers are only $3, so you can either just buy the workbook for the normal price, $15 for a workbook, or you can buy the workbook and the stickers, and that'll be $18. So, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8. I haven't got extra sticker sheets available yet because once I get Wickedly inked up and running, which is, in case I hadn't mentioned this before, this is what the stationery is being called. Pretty sure I've mentioned it once or twice. It's almost done. When that's up and running, all the book stuff is going to all move over to there, because I don't think it needs to be on the Wickedly Goods website because it's stationery. So that's my plan anyway. Right, that, I think that is everything. Yeah, just wanted to tell you that, yes, the stationery stuff is almost done. It's just the website's still kicking my ass, although I've pretty much got it sorted now. Just time. Just there's so much to do, and yeah, it's just like, you can see behind me, everything's an absolute mess. So there's this shit printed everywhere. All this stuff's, all that and that are all, that's all glued and all needs cutting, except for the stuff on the top there, which was a workbook that printed 3/4 of the way and then stopped on a page and restarted. So yeah, I don't know. And obviously Ripley, because how cool is that? That's Ripley in the crane thing. Oh, I haven't taken it out of the box because it's a special edition. I don't know why. I probably will take it out of the box, but every now and then I buy myself something stupid. Generally it's a pop. I've just bought the Loki one because, have you guys watched it? Have you watched it? What day is it? It's only Monday. If you are a Marvel fan and you haven't watched Loki, hello! Socks is here. You need to watch it. It's so good. I just watched Black Widow, which was good, made me cry. Hello! I can hear you. Hello! Come on. Come and say hello to the peoples. Come on. He's like, no, I'm just going to sit on your floor and ignore you. Alright, so that's it. I don't need to waffle on. That's enough, 12 minutes. We'll keep this one short. I know, right? Yeah, that's it. I'm sure that's it. I feel like I've forgotten something, but I don't know what. So when you watch this, everything will be on the website. So, anything else that's been requested, it is everything that has been requested that I have said, yes, I'm going to do, is getting done. It is. It's just, I have a list and just, it's a really long list. And sometimes things have to get pushed back on the list because other things happen, and yeah, it's just, I am one person, and I'm one person that's doing enough for about 4 at this point in time. So if I have said to you I'm going to do something or whatever, then I will be getting to it, I promise. I want to thank you all for your orders. I appreciate it. I've got just about all orders went out today, except for 2 that have just come in, so that's good. One of them's massive, so that's not going anywhere for a couple of days. Oh, he came over. Come on. Come and say hello to the peoples. Oh, here he comes. So come on. Oh, that was his head. I'm sorry. I'm a mean mum. Am I a mean mum? Yeah. Hey, Sonny. Hello. He's a good boy. Come up here. Oh, come up here. Say hello. She says, no, put me the hell down. Okay, well, come up here then. Ah, there we go. There, you can see the back of him. Quite likes a shoulder. He's got his purr on. He's good. He's good, isn't you? Hey? He's a good boy. Oh, look at his cute kitten. He's a little kitten, Mum. He's not little, and he's not a kitten. He's 15 years old. Oh, it's a big lump, aren't you? Although he's lost weight. That's because all he does is sleep. Doesn't eat, just sleeps. Don't you? Because he's an old man. Yeah. Yeah, I can't believe he's 15. Well, Boogs is 21. 22. 21. I don't know, 21 or 22, because Kurt's 27 this year. My youngest child, my baby, go around that way a bit, buddy, is 27 in a month. July, August, yeah, in a month and a half. That's insane. So, and we got Boogs when he was in kindy. So, and you go to kindy when you're 5. So, or he might have gone to kindy when he was 6, because his birthday's at the end of the year. So yeah, Books is 21 or 22, and we got this one about 5 years after, I think. I don't know why you'd want to know that. Why would you care? But yeah, he's old. I noticed he's always been pretty good, but just probably like in the last 6 months or so, he's can't sort of, like, he's more careful when he gets down off tables, and he doesn't jump directly up on a table anymore like he used to. Like, he can still jump on my lap. Boogs can't jump on my lap anymore. But yeah, before he was like, Socks was like a super jumper. He's one of those super jumper. Yeah, he keeps you really warm. But you know how some cats like just really, really good at jumping? He was like that. He could just, yeah. Whereas Boogs was never, like, Boogs was pretty spry, but not anymore. He shakes his head and he falls over, so. But yeah, I've just noticed Socks, he's just, like, he's been sleeping, like, has been really cold the last couple of days too. Hasn't it? And he always sleeps more when it's cold. But yeah, he's just one of these cats. He doesn't eat much. Just tends to sleep mostly. Don't ya? Sleep and shit. That's all you do. Alright, then I've just waffled on for like 5 minutes about my cats, because nobody wants to hear that. Well, don't lean on the keyboard, you dickhead. No keyboards. Alright, I'll go. I am sorry for the waffling. It wasn't even interesting waffling, although it's called waffling because it's not interesting. Alright, I'm going to now edit this and see if it's really bad and have to shoot it all over again, because I don't know how this program works. This is the program. It's called VideoPad. I normally use it to edit my videos, but I didn't know it could actually record videos. Who knew? Oh, now I have a cat on my wrist that's holding the mouse. Not sure how much editing is going to be going on. You're right there. It's so cute. I need to show you. What? There we go. Look at this. Is this not the cutest thing ever? The people can see you. The people can see you. Yes, they can. Alright. Bye.